This is Mr. Eubanks. Today I'm going to show you guys a shoe rack that I made for my wife in her closet. Ladies, I know you'll love it. Fellas, sorry you got something else to do on the honey-do list, as well as having to fill these shoes up, these holes up. But show you guys how I made it. This is a basic design on a Lazy Susan bill here. I mean, this was a total of like $8, Home Depot. Pretty much just made a circle, couple circles. There's a lot of circles involved here, but dimensions really won't matter because this is all custom fit for her closet. I cut this back, cut that back, and screwed to the bottom of the shelf. Could have gone higher, but I, want to use that shelf, more shelf space. But it's about 28 inches, 28 by 28 by about 7 feet tall. And it'll hold with the right just depends. It'll hold about 60 to 70 pairs of shoes. I have the shelves different heights from like your 2-inch sandals, 4-inch, 6-inch heels, 8-inch heels, 10-inch heels. Then you got your 24-inch, your Freakum boots right here. So could have got a few more shelves in here, but if she got some thigh-high boots or something like that, that'll be a perfect fit. But pretty much, that's how I attached the Lazy Susan to here. I just made this base. Everything is made out of 1/2-inch plywood. I got the smooth plywood, so it's about $50 a sheet. You may need about 3.5 sheets. Just depending. If you measure it out, then you may need less. But you can see the Lazy Susan right in there. Just attach it to your base, screwing down, and come up this way and grind the bolts off. And that's how you get your rotating action. The way I make the circles is get a compass. Now, they didn't have one that'll fit the circle that I needed at Home Depot. So I bought the one that they had, and I made my own rod for it. So it's a 1/2-inch rod. You can make it now. You can make as big a circle as you want. So 14 inches from point to pencil. That'll give you a 28-inch circle. Okay, so that's pretty much all the tools. You'll need some wood glue, something to cut. Home Depot pretty much cut quite a few of this for me. The main pieces I can get it in the car. Get a 4x8. They ripped it in the side. These sizes here they cut for me. I do have a table saw, but I didn't feel like doing it, so they did it for me for free. I just tell them how to build it. This is the shared wall right here. So that's the front of this side, well, the back of this side and the front of the other side, or however you want to say it. And of course, these are their own walls. So it's like an H setup. The shelves, self-explanatory. Put them wherever you want to. Cut them to size, glue them, screw them in there. Now the sides here are a little bit different because they're round. So pretty much all I did was I took the size of the shelves that I want, the width from here to here, that width, get you a square. And it's only going to be, that's about, I think they're about like 7 inches deep. So you take your compass and you just draw, just draw the circle here where the radius is going to go and how far you want the stick off. And then once you jigsaw the circle, then you can just cut it. And that's how you get all your circles the same size. Of course, glue everything. Wood glue is a lot stronger than any screw you'll ever be able to put in here, especially with it being plywood. Just makes it just 2 screws per side just to hold them. Screw it in there, you're good to go. Started painting it, as you can see, but resin came on, so I had to stop. But it's functioning now. For the top, I just took a 3/8 bolt, diameter bolt, drilled it into the center of the 1/2 inch. So I left like an 1/8 inch wall. Then reinforced it with a block here and a block there. So it's sandwiched in between. And it's never going to go anywhere. It's pretty much wedged in there. So as you can see, the whole bolt rotates through the hole here. Let me see. Yeah. See? Now later on I can get creative, hook a motor, you know, weld something to that, hook a motor, set it up here if I wanted to. I may do that a little later. But for now, something to hold all our shoes. If you got any questions, any tips, I always say just work. Like I said, work from your top. Get your overall height. Work top down. Allow for thicknesses of wood. And you shouldn't have any problem. It took me about, I'd probably say like 10 man hours, just because I was doing a lot of the cutting, the shelves, you know, sanding, jigsawing, and I didn't really have any plans for it. I just did it, you know, just mentally, like, okay, on the fly. Like, okay, I think let's make this size. But if you take the time to plot it out, you'll be good. I've seen shoe racks built a lot cheaper, but I think mine looks better. So if you have any questions, let me know. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And that's it. Thanks for watching.